Who doesn't love squish? Oh, the fuzzy squish. Have you ever wanted to make like a project that it was just so luxurious and soft and warm and cozy and not going to break the bank? Luxury. And you need to try this one. This is Paqu Pura, and it is amazingly soft and squishy. Squishy, squishy, and it's like soft, like so cuddly, soft. It's self-striping, and the colors just move so beautifully from one to the other. In this case, it's the reds and browns. This one has shades of purple. This one is some shades of brown, and I have 12 colors in stock right now, and I love this stuff, and I really want to get you as excited about it as I am. So let's talk about some of the benefits and why this is such an amazing yarn. First of all, it's 100% alpaca. And if you don't know this, llama and alpaca have a higher thermal value than sheep's wool, which means they're warmer, and which also means you don't need as thick of a fabric in order to have something that is warm and cozy and lovely, which is amazing, especially when you're crocheting, because crochet has a tendency to make your fabric a little bit thicker. So you can use a thinner yarn, get the same thermal value, and not be bulky, which is amazing. I really like this yarn for a whole lot of reasons. These mitts that I'm wearing, these fingerless mitts, they're really cozy. There's just enough fuzz, halo is what we often refer to. That's the technical term for the fuzziness of it. It allows a gentler stitch to fill in and bloom with the halo, which again, that means you don't need a fabric that is rigid and dense. You can even see in this hat how it has an open work stitch on it, which for some people, they might question that in a hat, but it actually works really, really well because this fiber is so warm, it will you won't overheat by wearing it, especially when you've got some open work worked into that. Another thing I really love about the alpaca fibers is that it takes color. You can get some really beautiful, beautiful colors with it, but they do maintain a little bit of an earthy, natural undertone to them that I happen to really love. And I just wanted to show that off to you. It's just so pretty. It's so soft. This is going to be a cozy hat that I will wear a lot over this winter. And the clever thing about this hat, which has really nothing to do with the yarn, it's just a design. It's part of the design is that it closes with this drawstring and I could wear it like a cowl, which is kind of fun. But that's a different part of the story, isn't it? So I just want to tell you about this yarn. It's so fun. It's so pretty. You can head over to the website, go to perfectlyknotty.com/Paqu, P-A-Q-U, hyphen Pura, P-U-R-A. I'll put the link down in the show notes. This is a 100-gram skein. There are approximately 329 yards to a skein. This is a fine or what back in the old days, I think we might have even could call this like a sport or baby weight. Now it's a number 2 fine, just to kind of give you a little perspective about that. But the beautiful thing is because with the halo with this, you can work it a little bit more gently, more, you don't have to work it super tight and tiny. because the halo will bloom and fill it in. It also has a very gentle twist to it that you probably cannot see in the video, but it's not super tight. And so it does not have that spring to it. So you're not going to get pronounced stitch definition that you get with a tightly twisted yarn. You're going to get something that's has a little bit more softness and shape to it, maybe a little bit more of a drape that is really nice for certain garments that we might wear, like shawls or even a top. This would be really lovely for a top. So that's that yarn. That's Paqu Pura, you guys. Perfectlyknotty.com/Paqu Pura. The link is down in the description. I also want to invite you at this time to head over to our new community, Stitchery Journey, and it's over on the school platform. And if you head over to perfectlyknotty.com/community, you can get your very own invite to join the community, and we'd love to see you over there. That is a really great place to brainstorm with other stitchers, throw out some ideas about a yarn that you're thinking about using. Right now, we're talking about gauge and tension and swatching at the time of recording this video, and we're just experimenting with that. So I would like to invite you to join that as well. And I would love to see you there. Don't forget to grab you some Paqu Pura and go make something squishy and yummy to wear. Thanks.